Hello dear students of class 12, hope you all are keeping fine at home. Today we are meeting to discuss lesson number 1 from your supplementary reader Vistas. The name of the chapter is The Tiger King, written by Kalki. Students, this is the first part of the video where I'll be telling you a little bit about the author and the introduction of the chapter and the main characters. And in the next part of the video, I shall be telling you in a very brief way that what is the chapter, what is the story is all about. So let's start today's discussion. So here we are going to start the chapter. Firstly, I'll be telling you a bit about the author. Now here the Tiger King is written by Kalki, and the pen name, Kalki is the pen name of the author. The real complete name of the author is Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurthy, who was born on 9th September 1899 and he died on 5th September 1954. He was a prominent Indian freedom fighter and journalist, poet, travel writer, critic, satirist and script writer. His writings include over 120 short stories, 5 novels and 3 historical romances. So the Tiger King is a satire on the conceit of those in power. The story is a very nice mix of the supernatural humor and irony. The Tiger King was magical from his birth. His arrogance takes him on a path of destruction of the tiger population. He is too much power drunk to notice the havoc he created, and his minions, his subjects, his ministers were very scared of him and failed to guide him. So the story is a poignant satire on the self-importance that the people in power assume. Now we shall go through the brief introduction of the story. The story The Tiger King is a satire on the pride and stubbornness of those in power. The writer takes us to the days of autocratic and eccentric kings. These kings lived under the thumb rule of the British, and so they fear them. So the kings were not in the power, their powers were only in the name, and basically they were very scared of the British rulers. The Tiger King was not interested in the welfare of the public. Instead, he spent his time in foolish pursuit. So they flouted all laws and changed them to suit his selfish interest. His arrogance takes him on a path of destruction of the tiger population. So the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram tried to challenge the prediction about his death, and he killed 99 tigers but could not kill the 100th one. So the irony of fate brings an unexpected end of the Maharaja. The cause of his death was not a ferocious beast of flesh and blood, but a wooden toy. That means he was not killed by the real tiger, but he was killed by a wooden toy tiger. Thus, destiny proves to be very powerful. It is inevitable. Secondly, the men in power are quite callous and ruthless towards animals. This is the theme that we are getting from this chapter. Now, the killing of the Tiger King by the 100th tiger proved that the foresight about his death was right. The superstitious belief prevailed because the king believed that he was safe after having killed 100 tigers. However, the cause of his death still remained a tiger, even if it was a wooden one. But it is worth noting that the writer does not wish to reinforce superstitious belief, and the king got killed by a tiger, but neither was the killing direct nor was the tiger a real one. Now the main characters of this story are the Maharaja of Pratibandhupuram, who was named as Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur, and later he was named as the Tiger King. Next is the chief astrologer who made the prediction, who made the prophecy that he will be killed by the tiger, the 100th tiger. And the third main character is the Diwan of the Maharaja Pratibandhupuram. Now the Diwan is an intelligent and a wise person who gives very valuable suggestions to the impractical and irrational king. But at the same hand, he was also very scared of the king. So these are the three main characters of this story. And now in the next part of the video, in the next part of the story, we shall discuss the chapter, the complete chapter in a brief way. I shall tell you the story. Thank you.